In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update code on Bitbucket. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, open your repository, edit a file right in the browser, and commit those changes so they're saved to your project. Start by heading to the Bitbucket website and signing in with your Atlassian account. On the login screen, choose the option to continue with Google, then select the Google account that's linked to your Bitbucket workspace. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow the prompts until you land in Bitbucket. Once you're signed in, you'll see your workspace. From here, look to the left sidebar and open Repositories. This shows all repositories you can access. Click the repository where you want to make an update. It's a good habit to glance at the branch selector near the top of the page to confirm you're on the correct branch, often main. Making sure you're in the right place helps you avoid committing to the wrong branch. In the repository's source view, browse through the folders and click the file you want to edit. When the file opens, select Edit at the top. If you don't see the Edit button, you may not have right permissions to that repository or branch. Once the editor loads, make your changes. Take your time here. Review syntax, keep changes focused, and consider leaving any large refactors for a separate commit. If you're editing Markdown or a configuration file, check for formatting and spacing so the file renders or parses correctly. When your changes look good, click Commit. A panel or dialog will appear asking for details. Add a clear, short commit message that describes what you changed and why. Descriptive messages make it much easier for teammates and future you to understand the history. Confirm the destination branch is correct. If everything looks right, click Commit again to save your changes. Depending on your repository's rules, committing straight to the default branch can also kick off build pipelines or code checks. That's expected. Let them run in the background while you continue working. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, use the workspace switcher near the top left to confirm you're updating the correct project before you edit. After the commit completes, Bitbucket will take you back to the file view showing the updated content. You can use the file's history to compare versions or quickly confirm that your change is recorded. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to your repository, edited a file in the web editor, and committed your update. Thanks for watching and happy coding.